Visual. Golden morning light. An elderly couple walking slowly on a park path, birds chirping, peaceful scenery. If you're over 60, you might be surprised to learn that one of the simplest activities, walking, can be. Segment 1. Why walking after 60 is a miracle movement. As we age, our circulation slows down, our muscles lose tone, and our joints get stiffer. Many seniors think it's just old age, but research shows it's more about. Segment 2. What happens to your body when you walk daily? When you walk, your heart pumps harder, sending fresh oxygen to your muscles. Your legs stay strong. Segment 3. But beware, some common foods can undo these benefits. Here's the part most people miss. You can walk every day, but if your diet silently damages your circulation, you'll never see the full benefits. Certain foods cause inflammation and stiff arteries, which reduce the oxygen and nutrients your muscles need, especially. Now that we know which foods secretly harm your body, let's talk about the power foods that can make your day. Heart. 1. Beets and beetroot juice. Visual. Fresh beets sliced open, deep red color, juice poured into a glass. Beets are rich in nitrates, natural compounds that widen blood vessels and increase blood flow. According to a University of Exeter study, older adults who drank beet juice had better muscle. 3. Garlic, nature's artery cleaner. Garlic may not smell glamorous, but it's one of the most powerful natural tools against hard arteries and high blood pressure. Research from the Journal of Nutrition. 5. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These are full of omega-3 fats, which help reduce inflammation, boost heart health, and keep muscles strong. Omega-3s also enhance brain function. Apples and berries, antioxidant protectors. Visual: a bowl of mixed berries and apples on a breakfast table. Fruits like blueberries, apples, and strawberries help your blood vessels stay flexible and youthful. Their antioxidants fight free radicals that cause aging and fatigue. Aim for 1 serving daily. It's a delicious way to boost your walking results. Remember, walking and eating well work together like 2 gears in the same machine. When you move more and feed your body right, you'll notice your energy rises, your legs feel lighter, and your mood brightens naturally. In the next part, we'll explore a simple daily routine, how to combine walking, stretching, and eating at the right times of day to maximize your strength, flexibility, and circulation after 60. Stay tuned. This next part will show you exactly how to build a longevity rhythm your body can thrive on every single day. Music fades out slowly.